Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rufus software to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive, okay, the easier way. So to get started, you have to double click on your browser. You can use any of the browsers you want, okay. Then you type this URL, https://rufus.ie. Okay, so it will take us to the Rufus interface or the Rufus site, okay, where we are going to download the Rufus software for our bootable drive creation, okay, for Windows 11. So you scroll down and then you come to the download section of the interface, okay. You have Rufus for standard Windows 64, Rufus for bootable Windows 64, and then Rufus for standard for 86-bit, and then Rufus for standard ARM64, okay, bit. Okay, so in our case, we are going to go with the standard 64 for Windows. Okay, so I'll click on this. And now you can see the software downloading. One download in progress. It's actually a small file, okay, to create a bootable. So we have to click on the folder here to take us to where we have the downloaded file. So, okay, so you click on yes. So let me close this and then I'll minimize the browser. Okay, so this is the interface for the Rufus, okay, where we are going to create the Windows 11 bootable USB, okay. So I've already inserted my pen drive or my USB. So you see new volume E 8 GB, and now boot selection. So disk or ISO image, please select. So we are going to select where we have the Windows 11 ISO file, and you can download the Windows 11 ISO file on the Microsoft website. Okay, you can download the Windows 11 from there. So I'll click on the select, and then it will take me to where I have my ISO file for the Windows 11. So I'll quickly select that, and then I'll click on open. Okay, so you see the partition scheme is GPT, okay, and we have MBR, okay, but we are going to leave the default depending on what we want to do, okay, and we have the UEFI. So the UEFI with some of the laptops, it doesn't have the legacy boot in the BIOS. It has the UEFI. So when you create a bootable pen drive at the normal way by using the command prompt, it wouldn't permit you to boot from the pen drive, okay? But by using this Rufus software and you select and you create with a UEFI, it allows you to boot from the pen drive by using the UEFI bootable of the Rufus, okay? So we are going to leave the settings how it is, and then we'll click on start. So customize Windows installation. Okay, we are going to leave this default, and I will click on OK, and then warning. Okay, because when it starts, it's going to delete or format the pen drive. So if you have something on it, you have to do a backup before you start this installation or you start this bootable Windows 11 creation. Okay, but in my case, I don't have anything on the pen drive, so I'm going to click on OK, and then it has started. So you see UEFI NTFS. Okay, so it's creating the bootable for Windows 11. So after it's created the bootable, it will copy the files of the Windows 11 onto the drive automatically for you. So when you are done, you can start your installation. So it's copying the ISO file onto the pen drive, okay, and making it bootable at the same time. So the copying is ongoing. So we have 0.5%. So the copying is ongoing. So you can use the Rufus software to create a bootable Windows 11 USB or Windows 10 USB. And even if you have Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, you can still use the Rufus software to create that. Okay, so it's still copying the ISO file of Windows 11 onto the pen drive at the same time. Okay, so I'll pause this video and then we meet at the other side. Okay, so it's applying Windows customization and it's 99%. Okay, so it's still creating the bootable drive and it's copying the files onto the pen drive. Okay, so now it's ready. So you can use your pen drive to run your laptop now. Okay, So now the bootable drive has been created for Windows 11. So when it's done, you can close the interface, and then you can use your pen drive or your USB drive to run your Windows 11 on any laptop, computer, and even desktops that supports Windows 11. Okay. Thank you, and bye bye.